Hello, my name is Panakan Soi, student ID 641011113, Faculty of Humanity and Social Science Geography. This video is part of Basic English Reading and Writing Class S125 Teacher 1 วิสา With today I come to answer the question in an article titled Animal in the City. Let's go to see each other. Question number 1. What is the article about? Answer is the problem of invasion or invasion of animal in the city. Question number 2. What is the main idea of the article? The answer is the focus of this article is animal invaded the city or in the house to suffer, but there are still some people who take pity and give food and shelter to the animal. Question number 3. What are the sufficient ideas? The question is the detail that support these them are in many countries such as dog in Moscow, Russia, wild boars in Berlin, Germany, and baboon which had the same event. The answer is the purpose of this story is solving problem of bringing all kinds of animals that invade or harm the life in the city out of its territory and campaigning for people to stop feeding animals. The last question is about 50 words. Give your personal reaction on the article. I think that the government has accelerated the problem or has a clear policy on eliminating or preventing animals from entering the city, such as enacting allow forbidding food or animal shelter and choose or land for officials to come and find all the animals that are still in the city, because also it may result in more serious events or sometimes fatal accidents may occur, which should not happen like this.